Ever stared at your screen thinking, I need a new lead magnet, but drawing total blanks on what to create? Most people waste hours brainstorming ideas and then days writing the opt-in pages and emails that might not even convert. But what if heyLevi could do just all of that for you? Our new lead magnet workflow doesn't just generate a random PDF idea and call it a day. It creates your entire lead generation system in minutes. From a lead magnet your ideal customers actually want, to the opt-in page that makes them click, and all the nurture emails that then turn them into buyers. And the best part, because heyLevi knows your brand strategy, every piece of content sounds exactly like you on your best writing day. No more generic lead magnets that could belong to anyone, just copy that converts, created faster than you can say email list growth. Let me show you. Come into heyLevi, head over to home, and then you will see here this workflow called lead generation. So I'm using my account here, which is a fictitious IG coach, and I'm going to pick Instagram SOS. The first stage is to make the lead magnet or the opt-in offer. And remember, because heyLevi knows everything about our offers, our brand, our positioning, our avatars, their desires, their dreams, all of this information has been pre-populated. There's just a few drop downs we need to pick: a persona, and choosing from the drop down what kind of lead magnet you want heyLevi to create. It could be a cheat sheet, a checklist, an ebook, template, infographic, or a workbook. I'm going to choose a checklist. Simply click next and let heyLevi come up with ideas for your lead magnet. And here we have it. Here are 6 ideas based upon a checklist, dialed in for my avatar, my brand, my business, and of course, the end product I want to promote. I'm going to pick this first one, DM Delight. Simple steps to get the conversations going. Click next and let heyLevi build the lead magnet. And here is the checklist. As you can see, I've got several steps included in here for people to tick off. And you'll see at the very bottom, even give a little bit of a soft call to action to my offer of Instagram SOS. Remember, anything that you want to change, you simply just highlight a sentence and then ask heyLevi to make improvements. The next stage is to let heyLevi write our email to deliver this lead magnet. And there we have it, right on brand with my engaging storyteller voice with lines like, we're here with pom-poms ready to support you all the way. The next stage is creating our opt-in page. So this is the page that people will go to sign up for the lead magnet. As you'll see, a lot of the information has already been pre-populated based upon the previous step. So all I need to simply do is click next. And here we have it, our opt-in page copy, quick as a flash. We have our headline, we have our bullet point list here of who it's perfect for, what the checklist will show us and give us, the benefits, key placements for where we need to put in our form and our buttons, an area for testimonials of what lovely people have said, either about our business or this freebie, a little hint as to what's inside the checklist, and then a message from us. Our third stage is to create this sales nurture sequence. Simply scroll through the drop downs, decide how many days we're writing an email sequence for. We could go as low as 7, we could go as high as 12. I'm going to pick 8. We just need to enter in the price of our offer and answer this question here. What is the main topic of conversation in these emails? If you had a sales page for your product, you could enter it here and it would extract the benefits for you with just a click. And lastly, just at the bottom here, you will see that we could have a toggle for generating emails only or generating emails and the SMS. And here we have our 8 emails. And you will see that they are naturally following on from people who have downloaded the checklist. For example, phrases like, you've already got the checklist, so it's time to get started. And then in the second email, we have things, what did you think of the checklist? So heyLevi is remembering every step that's come before here and every step to where we need to go to get those conversions and sales happening for Instagram SOS. And our final step is to create our lead nurture email sequence. All we need to do is just decide how many emails we're writing in the sequence. We can have as little as 4, as many as 14. And again, it's pulled through all the information previously I've given it. So all I need to do is click next. And here we have our 5 emails. The first 3 are delivering value, building rapport, and priming people to email 4, where I start to talk about my offer, Instagram SOS. So heyLevi has strategically designed these emails to prime and lead people to the sell in an ethical way that feels good, placing you at the forefront whilst having a deep understanding as to what your ideal customers want and need. So I don't know about you, but if I was to create all of this from scratch from a blank Google Doc, this would take me a heck of a long time. And heyLevi has done all of this for us in under 10 minutes. So I urge you, if you are thinking of a new lead magnet, don't do it the hard way. Just come into heyLevi and let it do all the work for you.